एक बार फिर स्वागत है आपका चटपटी बातें आयुषी के साथ। आज मैं बात करूंगी सिबलिंग्स के ऊपर। दो दे लव अस बट हाउ दे इरिटेट अस इज द रियल मैटर। सो लेट्स सी। Having a sibling and growing up with them is an experience unlike any other. Having an older brother, I am blessed with a guardian, supporter, friend, guider, and obviously a person who constantly fights with me. The bond between brother and sister is the most beautiful bond in this whole world. Though they fight a lot, but in reality, they can't live without them. There are love and care hidden behind those fights. Those who have siblings will surely understand each other trauma. You are not alone. Others are also in the same queue. Every sibling does some silly things to annoy the other one. So let's see what are those mischievous yet lovely things. First is blame game. The blame game always continues no matter what your age is. If something goes wrong, the whole bowl of blame will be shifted to another one, no matter whose mistake it is. And if something appreciable is done, then the whole basket of appreciation is not shifted, hence enjoying the clever game. Second is stealing of food. Trust me, I can very well understand your pain if you have gone through the same. On one side, you are dreaming of your favorite dessert resting in the refrigerator for you, and on the other hand, when you open your refrigerator to enjoy that delicious dessert which you have saved for yourself, is no more and happily digested by your sibling. This annoys the most, and here is the point where the cat fight begins. This usually happens with chocolates, right? Next is purposely annoying. That random annoyance was not sufficient. Don't you just hate when your sibling is already doing something annoying and you get irritated and he will start doing more of it because that is irritating and annoying you more? And this is where again wars come into existence. Fourth is stuff stealing. Have you ever wondered where did your all favorite stuff go? Ever checked your sibling's wardrobe when it was lost? That's not just a wardrobe, instead, it's a whole treasure of your stolen things. This usually happens in the case of sisters when they usually steal your favorite clothes for some event or simply for no reason because it's her favorite too. Though in my case, it happens when I have an elder brother. I generally steal his swag t shirt or hoodies. Even if someday you will catch them red handed, still they will not return it. Just look at their guts. Last is comparison in food quality. This is actually hilarious, but every one of us does this with our siblings. We compare any drink or plate of the dish and see which one is less full and give it to him. And if our mom distributes it for us, then we simply think he has got more in quantity than us. Like we used to say, Mama, आपने उसको ज़्यादा दिया, you are partial to him. So this is the fight we usually have with our siblings, and then having one spoon from the other sibling's plate just to annoy them is the best part of all. Or like this happens usually with Maggie when we are eating Maggie and mostly like last two bites are left and you I usually steal one spoon from him because it's really annoying. So I love them. Siblings are a real blessing in our life. They are the ones who usually drive us crazy when we are in no mood. They are the best partner in crime. There are many such moments we come across every day. We daily annoy our siblings and they tolerate us, and we tolerate them. But it's true, we love them the most and we can't survive without them. Do follow me on all social media platforms: Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, Spotify, and Pinterest with the name Scholar IU to keep yourself updated.